Welcome back. Now, Manappuram will be in focus today as Bain Capital has agreed to buy an 18% stake via preferential issue of shares and an additional 26% via an open offer. Sudarshan is now joining in with the contours of this deal. Sudarshan, tell us more.
So after hearing for several months and weeks, finally the deal of Manappuram Finance is announced. And now first talking about the deal headlines, it's the Bain Capital which is going to acquire up to 42%, nearly 42% stake for a deal of more than $1 billion or say more than rupees 10,000 crore. Now the deal is being done at rupees 236 per share, which is at a premium of 10% to yesterday's closing price and at a premium of nearly 30% if you take the average price of last 6 months. So now what is the deal contours? In the first part, Bain Capital is going to acquire up to 18% stake and that is valued at around rupees 4,400 crore. And now this would be done via both equity and warrants and in an equal proportion, and that is 9.3 crore each. In the second part, Bain Capital will be making open offer to acquire up to 26% stake, and the price for this also open offer is also rupees 236 per share. The completion is expected around because allotment of warrants will be made in 4 to 18 months. So once the allotment will be done for the warrants, then Bain Capital will be making open offer. Now regulatory approvals that are required for this deal are RBI, CCI, RDI and stock exchanges. Also, apart from this deal, company has also announced that Asirvad Microfinance, if you remember, had filed for an IPO. Now Asirvad Microfinance will withdraw its DRHP for the IPO. And holding, if you talk about the shareholding, currently promoters hold 35.25%. Once the deal is completed, existing promoters holding will be 28.9%, while holding of Bain Capital will be in the range of 18 to 41.7%. It can rise up to 41.7% or say nearly 42%. So finally the deal is done, and it's a good deal because the deal is done at a premium of 10% to yesterday's closing price, and deal value is of more than $1 billion.
Oh yes, you keep an eye out on Manappuram. Of course, mind you, the stocks in the FNO-BAN, as Sudarshan just mentioned a few minutes earlier. So keep an eye out on that stock as well. Sudarshan, thanks a lot for that.